Are you spending too much time on the wrong leads? Let's examine 5 types of leads you should filter out so you spend more of your time getting happy and profitable clients. We can start with a basic personality consideration. Number 1, watch out for jerks. Most people you meet in business are likable and professional, but every once in a while, you meet someone who's totally unreasonable. If they cut you off when you're speaking, or they brag how much they squeeze vendors, pass them up. It doesn't get any better. And if they become a client, you may end up losing a lot of money trying to meet their demands. Now let's talk about number 2. Filter out price shoppers. Let's say you started a consultancy offering tax strategy. You're competing on high-touch premium service, not on price. And let's say you get a lead looking for some routine tax preparation. This is not your target audience. Refer them to a big box tax preparer and focus your energy on leads who are the right fit. Let's now move on to number 3. Filter out leads with expectations you can't meet. Let's take a different case. Say you started a venture offering social media marketing services to local restaurants and local dental offices. You're competing on price and efficiency, not on white glove service. And say you get a lead from a larger company expecting you to be in person, attending meetings, week in, week out. That's gonna take a lot of your time. This is not your business model, and that extra time will eat up into your margins, and you may regret signing this deal. And here's a pro tip. Refer this lead to a partner agency who works with high-touch clients. And at the same time, see if this agency could reciprocate and refer low-touch clients back to you. If you're finding these tips helpful, let me know. Click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's move to number 4. Determine if the lead is just using you to get another quote. In some cases, especially in government contracts or larger companies, they might already know the vendor they want to hire, but they're using you to get another quote because they're required to get 3. Now, they'll never come out and directly tell you that they're using you, so you have to be on the lookout. Watch out for signals. Ask them, do they have an existing vendor, and why is it that they want to change? Now, if you get the impression that the lead is just going through the motions with you, don't spend a lot of time producing a customized proposal. Rather, send them a templated proposal so that you stay in the running in case you have any chance of getting that deal. And finally, number 5, it takes 2 to tango. Sales is all about persistence. And if a lead reaches out to you, then they don't show any sign of engagement or urgency, they might be just window shopping without any serious intent to buy. You're emailing, you're calling, they're not replying. They're not providing you with any meaningful information. Or you set up a meeting and they cancel last minute. These are all signs that the lead is not serious, so don't spend a lot of time entertaining them. Of course, remember to use your own judgment with every lead that comes your way. Sales is not a static formula, it's an art. So there are exceptions to every guideline we covered in this video, but always make these exceptions carefully. And the one thing I want you to get out of this video is to limit the amount of time and energy that you devote to leads who are not a good fit. Please don't forget to share this video, and if you have any questions about topics you want me to cover, leave us a comment below or go to startupwithferris.com and submit the Ask Ferris form. See you next time.